Hi guys!
Nastya, look, what happened to your avatar? I don't know.
So, nagmumukbang sila dyan.
Hi, girls.
Ayun o.
My house in Roblox is so
Paunahan
big and empty.
maubos.
Can you help me breathe some life into it? We got this.
Ay, Sabi hi. Oh, mapupunta ka dito sa TV oh. Oh, di ba? Ay. Ang gagawin lang namin ay maglalaro.
Ooh, I like it.
So ano? Maliglig! Oy! Tama na!
I have an idea.
Maliglig! Ito ka dito.
Do you like it? Yeah, but it needs one more little thing.
Look muna!
Go ahead, I guess.
Ang tiyo! Laro tayo basketball. Oh, kuha mo to. Set mo doon ah. Ang tiyo, wag ka nga makiyaro. Naka-vlog ka naman eh.
Evelyn, stop. Hey, Nastya, look what I found. No, that is too loud.
Iyakin na naman. Oh, mag-vlog ka dyan oh.
Playing a guitar. Let me show you.
Di na to laro.
Malaki ka na.
Kuya Ting-Ting.
Let's go.
Bye-bye na nga lang. Ang kulit naman itong